Today we're going to learn how to make a flickering glow, so like somebody standing in the light. This came from a question, a challenge, in fact, in a different group, and I like a challenge, so let's have a go. So we go to Canva homepage, create a design, and I used Facebook post. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we show authors how to use Canva better to market their books. If you're an author and would like to talk to other authors about how to use Canva, come join the Facebook group. It is free and the link is in the description. If you would like some free stuff, sign up for the newsletter. Again, link in the description. Okay, so we are going to get Our Lady and we're going to get a light bulb. So this is the background. So you've got this light bulb and let's find the lady. Okay, so we've got this lady and we want it to look like she is standing in the glow of this yellow light bulb. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to duplicate it so that we've got the originals if we need it. Okay, we're going to get to go to the lady. We're going to edit, adjust, and then we're going to see if we can make her a bit yellow. So let's go that way and maybe go this way a bit. There we go. She is now quite yellow. Let's try to get the same sort of yellow as in the lamp. Okay, all right. She's quite yellow now. Once we've done that, we're going to go to apps and we're going to find easy reflections. Okay, so there's the easy reflections app. Now what we want to do is find a reflection so that it fades. So it's more yellow on this side and it fades to almost nothing on the other. So create reflection. Oh, is this the right way? So we want her thing with the visible collarbone to be the strongest. Okay, that's cool. And we want the glow to end somewhere here. So let's get the offset further this way. There we go. Okay, so the light is falling on just that side of her face. Alrighty. Okay, we're going to add to design. Okay, and then because this is now a mirror image, we need to flip it. Flip horizontal. And then we'll go take it down to our original. And then we need to resize it so that it is the same size as the lady. So that when you overlay them, let me just get rid of this. When you overlay them, she looks like she's fading yellow from one side to the other. There we go. Okay, so now she's got a bit of a yellow glow to her on one side, but it's still a bit strong. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the transparency down a bit. Okay. There we go. So she's more of a normal color on the other side and she's got this glow. And now, if you want her to be in a flickering glow, so now basically you have woman with orange glow on her or yellow glow on her. And then if you wanted for it to be a flickering glow, you go to animate and find flicker. There we go. If you have Canva Pro, you can turn the speed down, which is quite nice. Okay, and now to make it a bit more obvious, let's turn the transparency back up a bit. And now she's in a sort of a flickering yellow light, which is quite nice. So let's play it. There you go. She's in a flickering yellow light. Now to save it, you can get rid of this one if you want, because that's just your work in progress. If you want to save it, just share, download, MP4 video, you don't need both pages, you just need the page 2. And download. That's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends. And I'll see you in the next video.